The Acer Copilot Plus has a 16-inch WUXGA 120Hz multi-touch display, which is a notable spec that sets it apart. I'm reviewing this product as an affiliate, meaning I'll earn a commission if you buy through my link, but this isn't a sponsored review, so you can expect an honest assessment. I've researched the Acer Copilot Plus thoroughly, and I'm excited to share my findings with you. The Acer Copilot Plus is a laptop specifically designed for general users who need a balance of performance and portability. It's positioned in the mid to high-end tier, with a price that's typically around $1,000 to $1,500, depending on the configuration. If you're someone who needs a laptop for everyday tasks like browsing, email, office work, and some casual gaming, the Acer Copilot Plus might be a good fit. It's also designed with AI capabilities in mind, thanks to the Snapdragon X X1-26-100 and the NPU with 45 TOPS, which should provide optimized processing across various workloads. If you're someone who values a large, high-quality display, and you're looking for a laptop that can handle demanding tasks like video editing or 3D modeling, you might want to consider the Acer Copilot Plus. It's also a good choice if you're interested in exploring the capabilities of AI-powered laptops, with features like Recall, improved Windows search, and Click to Do. On the other hand, if you're on a tight budget or you're looking for a laptop specifically for gaming, you might want to look elsewhere. The Acer Copilot Plus has a sleek, aluminum body with a weight of around 3.5 pounds, making it relatively portable. The build quality is generally good, with a sturdy hinge and a comfortable keyboard. However, some users have reported concerns about the laptop's heat management, so that's something to keep in mind. Typically, the box contents include the laptop itself, a power adapter, and some documentation. You might also get a few accessories like a USB-C hub or a carrying case, but that's not always the case. In real-world use, the Acer Copilot Plus performs well in various scenarios. For example, if you're working on a project that involves a lot of writing and research, the laptop's display and keyboard are excellent. The 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and typing feel smooth, and the backlit keyboard is comfortable to use for extended periods. However, if you're trying to do some heavy gaming on the Acer Copilot Plus, you might be disappointed. The integrated GPU can handle casual games, but it's not designed for demanding titles like Fortnite or Assassin's Creed. On the other hand, if you're using the laptop for video editing or 3D modeling, the Acer Copilot Plus can handle those tasks with ease, thanks to its powerful processor and ample RAM. Another scenario where the Acer Copilot Plus excels is in everyday tasks like browsing and email. The laptop's Wi-Fi 7 connectivity provides fast and reliable internet access, and the 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM ensures that you can have multiple apps open at the same time without any significant slowdown. However, if you're someone who needs a lot of storage space, you might find the 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD a bit limiting. You can always expand the storage with an external drive, but that's an additional cost to consider. The Acer Copilot Plus also works well in scenarios where you need to use AI-powered features. For example, the Recall feature can help you quickly find files and documents, and the improved Windows search makes it easy to locate specific apps or settings. However, if you're not interested in using these features, you might find the Acer Copilot Plus to be a bit overpriced. In a scenario where you're working in a coffee shop or a shared office space, the laptop's display and speakers are good enough to provide an enjoyable experience, but they're not exceptional. The display is bright and colorful, but it's not as vibrant as some other laptops on the market, and the speakers are clear but lack a bit of bass. One scenario where the Acer Copilot Plus is not the right choice is if you're looking for a laptop specifically for gaming. While it can handle casual games, it's not designed for demanding titles, and you might be better off with a dedicated gaming laptop. Another scenario where the Acer Copilot Plus might not be the best fit is if you're on a tight budget. The laptop's price is typically around $1,000 to $1,500, which is a bit steep for some users. However, if you're looking for a laptop that can handle everyday tasks and some demanding workloads, the Acer Copilot Plus is a good choice. The Acer Copilot Plus has a few weaknesses that are worth mentioning. One of the main concerns is the value proposition. While the laptop is well built and performs well, the price might be a bit steep for some users. Another weakness is the limited storage space, which might be a concern for users who need a lot of space for their files and documents. Finally, the laptop's heat management has been a concern for some users, which might be a problem if you're planning to use the laptop for extended periods. However, it's worth noting that the Acer Copilot Plus is designed to provide a balance of performance and power efficiency, and the heat management issues might be mitigated with proper usage and maintenance. In terms of value justification, the Acer Copilot Plus is a bit pricey, but it's not unreasonable. The laptop's performance, display, and build quality are all top-notch, and the AI-powered features are a nice bonus. However, if you're not interested in using these features, you might find the laptop to be a bit overpriced. To get the best value out of the Acer Copilot Plus, you should check the current pricing using the affiliate link in the description, as prices may vary depending on the retailer and the configuration. In my verdict, the Acer Copilot Plus is suited for two specific types of buyers. If you're a general user who needs a laptop for everyday tasks and some demanding workloads, the Acer Copilot Plus is a good choice. You'll appreciate the laptop's display, keyboard, and performance, and the AI-powered features are a nice bonus. On the other hand, if you're a creative professional who needs a laptop for tasks like video editing or 3D modeling, the Acer Copilot Plus is also a good fit. You'll appreciate the laptop's powerful processor, ample RAM, and fast storage. However, if you're someone who's looking for a laptop specifically for gaming, you might want to look elsewhere. The Acer Copilot Plus can handle casual games, but it's not designed for demanding titles. Additionally, if you're on a tight budget, you might want to consider other options. The Acer Copilot Plus is a bit pricey, and you